Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and I did a thing. I might have ordered some Diamond Art Club paintings because I fell down the rabbit hole and now I can't get back out. So a little bit of background information on this purchase. So basically I had been eyeing this painting up on the Diamond Art Club website and I just couldn't justify the cost of it. But I really wanted it, and it's the Literate dragon from Randal Spangler. And in my dining room I have like a bookcase, a wall bookcase thing that I store a lot of my paper books on, and I have a chair there, so I have it's like my reading nook. And I wanted to have a painting that I could put on the wall. And I saw this one, the Literate dragon, not illiterate, the Literate dragon, and I squealed and I thought this is going to be absolutely perfect. Now, it was the choice between this and a few of the other Randal Spangler booky ones. To be honest, I want them all, but I really liked this one. So I then had a little look on Joann's. So Joann's, if you're in the UK, Joann's actually ship to the UK. They started shipping to the UK, I don't know, maybe less than 6 months ago. And they stock some Diamond Art Club kits. Now, when I purchased, and it was just pure coincidence, I went on and they had a discount on Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots kits, and they were 30% off. But in addition to that, as a new customer, I also got 25% off on top of that. So this kit ended up costing me, I think, £46 in the end. And it should have been a lot more than that from if I purchased it from Diamond Art Club. So I am going to do a little unboxing. Now, you might already have seen this on an unboxing, but I haven't. I've specifically not watched any because I wanted the excitement of unboxing this one myself. And oh, I've just got no room, it's such a big one. So this one here it's a square kit, and this one here is 27.6 by 27.6 inches, which is 70 by 70 centimeters. So it's not the biggest kit, because the biggest kit that I've done is the one that I've got on the go at the moment from Diamond Art Club. But this will be the second biggest kit that I've done. So let me get this out of the box and we will have a look. Oh, we'll have a look. Doesn't want to come out of the box. We'll have a look at this together. Now, I will say that this probably will not fit on screen because I just do not have the angle here to be able to fully show you this. Let's try and get a little bit of room and then maybe I can zoom out just a little. You'll have to excuse the other bits and bobs on my desk, but hopefully you'll get a better view of this. And excuse this is the lighting cables that are everywhere. Okay, so Diamond Art Club. We have the square sticker, which I'm really excited about. Really sad, I know, because the other two kits that I've got from Diamond Art Club so far were D-stash kits, and they didn't have the square sticker in, so obviously they'd already been used, and so I'm really excited because I can put that straight into my logbook. Now, by the looks of things, this does look like, from what I believe, an old toolkit, because I've had one of the other ones, one I think didn't come with a toolkit, and then the other one came with a toolkit, but it was a newer one. So this is an older toolkit, so I haven't actually seen one of these in person, so I'm just going to have a quick looky through. So there's a whole ton of zippy bags in there. Pop those back in the tray. A clear tray with a spout. Then we have a blue pen and a blue squishy. As I've said, I don't use these, so yeah, I'm looking for something to do to donate them on. There is a 4 multi-placer. There are 2 heart waxes, and there's also some sharp tweezers. Actually, I'll probably give these to my husband because I've convinced him to do a little bit of diamond painting, and he doesn't have any tweezers in his kit, so I'll give the whole thing to him. Okay, so on to the painting. Let's move that out of the way, and then we'll take a look at the drills as well. Now this will be one of a couple of Diamond Art Club unboxings, but we're just going to have a look at the this one today. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it goes this way. Let's move my chair back, give myself a little bit of room. Oh my goodness me! Wow, look at him! Oh my goodness me, look at that. I'm really sorry about the glare. Hopefully it's not too much of an issue. So we have the dragon sat in his big armchair reading his book, and he's got his feet up on a little cushion, which is what I've got in my little reading nook as well. He's got a lamp here, which is I've got a little lamp, actually a table lamp, where I sit as well. And he's just surrounded by all of these books, and I thought this was just going to be absolutely perfect for my little reading nook. So let's just have a look at the bottom as well. So again, just at the bottom, there's just a load of books on the floor, and then I love the globe as well. Oh goodness me, I just love this, absolutely love this. So the problem is, now I've unboxed it, I'm going to be desperate to want to start it, because but I can't. I'm having one large painting on the go at a time, and I can't because I have the 60 pot case I'm using already for my Whispered Word Lenore from Diamond Art Club. So we have the step-by-step instructions, little leaflet, and there's a discount code for next time. Then we also have the sticker sheet with the pre-cut stickers. Now, I generally kit up in number order, and I've done the same again with the stickers from Diamond Art Club, but I use where it says serial number, I actually use 1 to, in this case, I'll be using 1 to 52. I just find it much easier to find the colours. In fact, I say that I might use that in my logbook. I might use the bigger one in my logbook, which I'll cut out because this is sticker paper also. And so yeah, there's 52 colours in this one, and there's 3 ABs, 124, 137 and 141. So 124 is symbol number 1. So let's see if we can find any of those and see. There's a couple down here, and there's a couple, is that in his, yeah, in his like scales that come out. So there's a couple just in here. There's a couple up by the picture, and there's a couple in the bookcase. Okay, so it's not many of those. And then we've got number 2, so I can see some of those in the globe already. That'll be really nice. Some in his jacket, and there are some on this book down here. There's more on this book. So yeah, they're just little highlights by the looks of things. And then number 3, again, we've got some up in that globe, some in the top of this book. We've got some in the lamp, or actually quite a few in the lamp. There's some in this is a stack of papers by the looks of things. So there's some in this top paper here, a couple down here as well. So yeah, I don't think there are masses of ABs to lay on this. I think they're just really small highlights. Actually, the main AB that I can see actually is number 3, that last one, is actually all in this lamp. So this white area is all that AB. So that should be, oh, and this lamp as well. So that should be exciting. So let's take a look at the drills. So this is a big old pack of drills. And it's always a test. How many 310s? I particularly want to get all of these out. I might have to. I never get them back in again. So this is the colour palette. This is probably the easiest way to have a look at these drills. So this is the colour palette. So let's see, we have, let me just unravel it this way. So we have, I think, 3 packs of 310, which isn't too bad for 70 by 70, I don't think. It's just got a lot of the outline, it looks to be the 310. Which I'm okay with that, because what I like to do is actually fill around the outline and then fill in the area that I've outlined. I enjoy that process. So let's see if we can find the ABs and take a look at those. Okay, there's one here, which is that white 141. So that's where it's going to go into, mainly those lights. And then we've also got, let's see if I can spot the other ABs, because they seem to be high. Oh, here's one, it's blue. And that blue there, a lovely blue. And then what other colour would I be looking for? So white, blue, and like a pink. That's not that one. Oh, it's here. 1, 2, 4. A really baby pink AB. There's not many of those, so as I said, it just seems to be a sprinkling of ABs, apart from the white ones. Okay, so I've got to be really strict on myself because I cannot start or kit this one up until I have finished the Whispered Word Lenore. So I need to get on with that. It's taken a little bit of a back seat at the moment. But I'm hoping to be able to go and sit and do a little bit more of that over the coming weeks. So thank you very much for joining me for today's unboxing. This is the one that I've been the most excited about getting. So I hope to maybe film some whipping chats on this one. I know I've only done one whipping chat and it was a really short one, but just time permitting and wellness as well. So I hope to bring this one for a whipping chat in the near future. So I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.